Hi everyone, I'm Enlli Thomas and I'm one of the lecturers on childhood studies. I've been contributing to childhood studies as a degree since 2001 when I used to be a lecturer in the School of Psychology, and some of the students from childhood studies came and followed one of the modules I delivered through the medium of Welsh in psychology back in 2001. I've been at the School of Education since 2007, so I've had many years of contributing to this wonderful degree programme, and it is a fantastic degree programme, and I really hope that you will enjoy following this particular degree option. I teach research methods in year 2 and I also offer a module on bilingualism, or actually it's called multilingualism in childhood in year 3. So my research area, so I am a researcher first and foremost, but my research area and area of expertise is bilingualism. So it's looking at how children learn language and how children who come across more than one language, how they learn language, what's different about learning 2 languages as compared to learning 1 language, what are the benefits that children have from learning multiple languages, and so on.